Create Order tab. We open the order receipt. The first fields are the phone number and customer name. If the client has contacted your company before, then his application or devices will be displayed on the right. This will mean you don't waste time filling in information about the device and allows you to select the device you need from past requests. If the client comes for the first time, specify the device and the serial number manually. Next, we fill in the fields we need. Indicate the estimated cost and the date it will be ready. If you do not have the required field in the acceptance form, or you see extra fields that you will not use, go to the Edit Fields tab. With the switch, you can turn the field off or on, and you can also add your own field by simply entering its name. Now, we create our order by clicking on the Create button. It takes us to the order card. Here we add all the information about the progress, assign the responsible person, etc. Now we need to add a spare part for the device. Let's assume that it is not yet in the warehouse. To do this, we enter the name of the product in the field. We are invited to create an order to the supplier. Specify the type of delivery. We sent a request for the purchase of goods. It will appear in the general list in the Orders to Supplier menu. We can also accept and debit the order from the order card. To do this, click on the arrow and create an order to the supplier. We select the supplier, cost, and click Save. The system also automatically invites us to accept the goods and debit it. Now we bind the serial number. Done. Spare parts shipped for repair. In the same way, we add work. For each work, you can assign a separate tech if required. In the cost field, we will indicate how much the customer owes you for the repair. When the repair is done, we transfer the order to the ready status. The system invites us to send a message about readiness to the customer. By the way, you can find out how to set up sending SMS by watching our video instructions. Link in the description. During the repair, we did not make any comments on the order, but as you can see, the system automatically saves all changes to the comments. The client can see these comments on your website by entering a phone number in the Repair Status widget. To find out how to install it on your website and more about how it works, click the link in the description. This is very convenient since your clients are informed about the current status of the repair. Comments can also be hidden, those that only employees will see when entering the order card. To do this, close the lock before writing a comment or opposite to already created ones. Also, pay attention to how the security system is implemented. Any change to the order card is logged, saved. By clicking on the field name, you can see who has changed information, when they changed it, and what information has changed. This is a very useful feature for the company's internal security. Now we issue the order to the customer by clicking on the button Give to Client. We can issue an order to the client and deposit money in the cash desk at the same time, and also can issue it without payment.